Alright, this is a quick test of the refurbished PET. I've just cleared the screen and erased the memory, so I've just got the cursor there. And I'm going to type in a little program. For I equals 1 to 10. 20, print I, 30, next I, 40, print end. And then I can list it back. It's going to say syntax error. List it without the typo. There it is. I'm going to run it. And it printed 1 through 10 and printed end at the end. Now I'm going to save it to tape. I'm going to say save. And I'm going to call this PET Test 2, because I called another one PET Test 1. Plus press play and record on tape 1. I've got tape 1 down here. I'm going to push play and record. Tape starts turning. It says it's writing PET Test 2. Baud rate's pretty slow for even such a small program. It takes a while. Okay, it's ready. And the computer has stopped the tape. So I'm going to rewind it. Now I'm going to type in new and list. So there's no program in there, so I'm going to say load PET Test 2. Press play on tape 1. It's searching for PET Test 2. It's found it, and it's loading it, and it's done. So now I can list it, and there's the program, and I can run it, and there it is. The computer works, the display works, the keyboard works, the cassette drive works for play and record.